Hi everyone, so this is my best friend Yolandi Baster, and today we'll be doing a jack-o'-lantern vibe makeup look. So yes, don't look at me like that. So yeah, we're gonna do the jack-o'-lantern look. She's gonna do it on me, so I'm giving her full control of my face.
Yo, that's a lot of trust, eh?
Pray for me. Okay, but let's jump right into the video. Enjoy, give it a like, give it a subscribe. So I just went ahead and primed my face and just put some moisturizer on so that Yolandi here can just go ahead and make me more ugly. Okay, let's go.
It's not gonna be ugly, not when I'm finished. Okay, so that can be taken so many ways.
Ocean man, take me by my hand, lead me to the land.
Have at it in the comment section. Okay, so we're gonna start with this base. We're gonna start with outlines and basically just marker lines for his Glasgow smile, for the depth of the eyes, and for the framing of the face. So we're gonna start with that. I have some.
Sorry, I saw myself in the viewfinder.
I was looking at the person going past the window. They were highly unimpressed. So I'm just using.
You're not gonna put foundation.
No, I'm not. I don't like using. Then put foundation on.
Can I please put foundation on my face? That's awkward if there's no foundation. I'll be back.
I don't like to waste foundation on a Halloween look unless it's like the finished product.
So I finished my foundation and my powder off camera because lazy. But anyway, so yes, I finished my everything off camera. That's why I'm looking as pale as
That
me.
wall.
But yes, let's jump right into the look.
Okay, so we're just gonna start off plotting out the Glasgow smile. Literally just gonna take that up to his back of his. I want to say the back of his head. But that's basically what you're aiming for. It's a straight line back, taking that smile upwards. So we're going to do that on both sides. Hopefully get them symmetrical, although symmetry is boring. So can you stop smiling, bish?
Bees!
Swish, swish.
Bees!
Let's get started, Beach.
I love how much concentration. Oh, that was such a great line. Can we just? That was such a great line. See, this is what I'm doing. This. I was just said something very problematic.
Me every day. It's every day, bro.
It's
The
every
third
day.
doesn't need jam for.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Well, also just so that I don't forget to do it later, I'm just gonna lightly fill in his jugular or carotid. I can't remember which, but it's just gonna be these lines just to add a little bit of shadow and depth. I'm going to go around that later as well and just fill and blend that out, but just so that I don't forget. Because I'm gonna be like, why is there random black lines? And then I'm gonna be like, oh, okay, I had to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go on to his eyebrows and I'm going to work my way down because the mouth is going to be a lot more problematic. So let us do that. And suddenly that was white. I don't know why. So we're going to define out the eyebrows. So I am making his eyebrow a lot more defined and a little bit more blocky so that it sort of holds with that animated jack-o'-lantern look. So you're not going for a natural sort of curve or blend, you want it to stand out from the rest of his face. So now I'm just going to use his eyeshadow palette to fill in those caterpillars. It's only for today. It's only for today.
Tell the gods to open
Your eyebrows.
the gate. My powers flowing through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around.
He almost just got a line across his forehead. It's very hot in South Africa, so we're trying not to cry because that'll dehydrate you.
It's 108 degrees Fahrenheit. She's just taking concealer and refining my brow.
Oh, because this bitch needs lots of refinement.
I am already high society. I am already refined!
You messed up my joke. When he said, I was like, I'm already high society, and I wanted to say 420 doesn't count. Weed, bitch.
Oh.
That look.
I don't know if I should turn or...
Okay. Okay, so we just finished his brows 15 hours later.
Eyebrows on fleek, motherfucker!
Okay, so we're gonna move on to his eyes. His eyes, his eyes, his eyes. When you tell him to close his eyes and he opens his eyes.
I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Troy. I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
T. Okay.
I have lots of questions. Okay, fine.
Jeffrey starts quaking.
You wish. Okay, so after we've basically done the base on his eyelids, we're now just going underneath just to sort of round out the eye. Okay, so now we're going in with the orange, obviously, for the pumpkin of the jack-o'-lantern, and we're going to do that on the inside and around the bottom half of his lid, and then take that up as well to his forehead and down. Okay.
She's just quickly gonna finish my other eye off camera, and then we'll see you in a jiffy.
Okay, so we just basically filled in his eyes, forehead and nose with colour. We're now just going to go to the mouth and fill in the black and orange of the Glasgow, and then we'll come back to add some details. Okay, so I just filled in a lot of detail actually. Sorry about that. We got a little carried away. So we basically just blended out some more eyeshadow around his Glasgow smile. We added some orange highlights as well. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh my god. The cable turned off. You should have sucked the nigga dick for free. Should have sucked the nigga dick for free. Oh my god. The lights off.
And we added some...
I don't light up. I glow up, honey.
We added some detailing with eyeliner. And now we're going to fill in those details just to make them a little bit more prominent, a little bit more clean. And then we're going to move back to the eyes to just finish off the detailing there. And yeah, hopefully we won't forget about you.
Okay, so unfortunately, someone didn't charge the battery. Me. So yeah, she finished the look once again, off camera. This is becoming a thing.
It's becoming, I feel like it's becoming your MO.
It's my brand. Finish it off camera. Come back and do the narcissistic montage.
Next time I'm gonna do this with acrylic paint. And yes, I know acrylic on skin, but I prefer it. His face. And then I'm gonna do it properly. But I like the way that this one turned out. We added a lot more definition and contouring than expected, but I feel like it looks nice, especially from a distance, but also up close.
Thank you so much, you guys, for joining us here at Fairy Francois and Fairy Yolandi. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like. So don't forget to subscribe.
Just subscribe to Skra.
Skra.
And a
Skru papa.
And a boop boop boop.
Boo.
Ah.
Ah.
Boop.
But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you liked it. You don't have to like it, bitch. Turn away.
They kind of do. You kind of do. Also because you're like us.
Because you did the video.
Yes.
Okay, subscribe.
Like me.
Well, as we all know, Halloween is full of their tricks and their treats, and definitely the camera not being charged is one of our tricks. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and a subscribe, and yes, leave us a comment of what you want us to do next, or me to do next. This is my channel. But yes, to tell us what you what you want us to do next, and yes, loves and kisses from Fairy Francois. Bye.